Nice rainy day today. I know you guys like seeing some videos of equipment and stuff. I'm trying my best to get a decent video of me running this 650. I didn't exactly ask permission if I could or not. I just fucking do it. I don't really care anymore. Nobody's gonna get sued over me working in the rain, I don't think. I better not say that might happen. Oh my god. That's all we've been getting here. Been here for 3 weeks now, and last week was like the only week where we had a few days of dry weather. Just trying to finish up a corner here. They're running out of room. And in between trucks, texting my buddy in Edmonton. You might know him as the Burnout. Position to load from, but just kind of want to finish up this road here so when I go take the other cut they don't have to try and steer around this hump. See if I can pull it back a bit so it's not so hard for them. And that is a 740 cat articulated dump truck. It's the ejector box. It doesn't tip up. Instead it pushes out like you're taking a poop. They're pretty nice because the dirt never sticks. Now I'm stuck waiting. I freaking hate that. Well, I think I'm going to go back to the other end. I can see him rutting up quite a bit here. Down this pile. You see I'm kind of pulling off here. They've been disking the dirt on top using a tractor like a disc harrow and or whatever you want to call them, and that's to dry out the dirt on top, at least when it's not raining. And then they take a bulldozer. They just had a D9R up there. I don't know if he's still up there. And then he pushes it over the edge. Tracks are gutless on this thing. Let's go.
Come up here and park you guys, but you don't run across that road that the trucks are hauling on. You guys come around that road.
Oh, there's the foreman. He's an arsehole. He's an idiot too.
Don't come that way, because you're going to drive across that road that the gravel trucks are hauling on, and if somebody went across there and they big ruts through it. Come around the other way.
Which way? The one that's the first hole by the dark side here?
Back up around.
Should I bring a 650 in then? I think that's it for today here.
I'll just go park it.
It'll be a short video, not much entertainment factor.
Hey Steve.
I can never hear anything on this two-way either.
I'll give you a flash. No, just fucking dump it.
You can see how soft it is here.
Well, you gotta sprint it at the same time. You gotta let it go. You know? I'll let it all go then.
Hello, Dale. Am I heading towards you then to come around?
Come up where I am and around.
See how they just punch it all out in here. It's just horrible, silty, shitty dirt. It's not quite like the stuff I'm used to back home, but they gotta turn so much all the time that they just chew up the road. We had a good grader operator for a few days, but they must have taken him somewhere else, so now we just have this guy who's just learning. Sucks. Well, that's it before anybody sees my camera. Talk to you guys later.